Compared with other semi-assembled 3D printers, Nano can be used without any installation, which avoids the problem of reduced printing accuracy due to self-assembly. It is suitable for children and beginners. Easythreed NANO 3D printer uses the latest extruder technology, which will not cause problems such as nozzle clogging and poor extrusion. The upgraded Z-axis design makes the extruder move more stable. Nano has a very simple operation design. After you insert the SD card, you only need to press the print button to automatically print out the model you need. Compared with other printers, it removes the complicated operation process and is simpler.